YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Lodi Man back with another video. Shout out to everybody who's been showing the Wavy fam so much support, man. I do appreciate every single one of y'all, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and share the video with all your friends so they could be just as wavy as you. Most recently this month, what did I hear? Since I've been working out a lot, man, I've been seeing a lot of guys in the gym, and like they just been motivating me to, you know what I'm saying, just do better with myself, you know what I mean? So what I picked up from them is a saying that all of them have been saying pretty much, which is collaboration over competition. You know what I'm saying? Rather than bring your brother down, bring him up. Feel me? So I'm definitely bringing that to this channel because I really like that wave. So shout outs to everybody out there who's doing these wave videos and trying to put people on. You know what I'm saying? So moving forward today, if you click this video, it's because you want to know, are pomades lit? Do pomades work? What is the benefits of pomades? Do pomades ruin you? You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to tell you guys, like, I've been using pomades now for, I want to say, about 5 to 6 years when it comes to waves. In the beginning, though, I wasn't getting no waves. I was dropping pomade in my dome and getting no waves, bro. It used to piss me off. And I know there's people out there who could relate to that, but it was literally because I didn't know what I was doing. You know what I'm saying? I didn't have nobody to show me what to do right, or what I was doing wrong, pretty much. So the pomades that I do use, or the pomades that I use now, would be Murray's pomade, right? That is my go-to pomade. I lost the cap. I don't know what happened to the cap, but that's my go-to pomade. You guys notice, you've seen it in many videos, but like I said, I'm just answering pretty much questions about pomade. See, the reason why I use Murray's pomade is because at certain points of my hair growth, my hair becomes way too thick for a pomade such as Sporting Waves. I like Sporting Waves. When my hair is low, Sporting Waves works, you know what I'm saying? But when it comes to heat, when it comes to the length of my hair, when it comes to just making sure that when I'm brushing the pattern stays, I have to go with Murray's. It works the best for me. And like I said, everybody's hair is different. Everybody could use something different that will benefit them. Murray's is just what benefits me. The hold is perfect. They even have a super hold, but I don't even need that. That's crazy. So as you can see, Sporting Waves, like I said, I only usually, you know what's funny, usually Sporting Waves, I use it towards the beginning of the summer when it's not so hot. I use it during the winter when my hair is short, because it's just better. My hair is allowed to breathe a little bit more. It's not as thick. And you know what I'm saying, I ain't trying to go bald no time soon, feel me? Another pomade that I had seen, and this was way back, and you guys don't understand how long ago I bought this, is beeswax. Beeswax was a pomade that I was using way back to get waves, man, when I first really wanted them, but I never really used it. As you can see, it's pretty much still full. I bought this probably like 3 years ago, and it's literally pretty much still full. I use it when I don't have Sporting Waves or I don't have Murray's. And I just like how it smells, so why not? And it leaves a nice little sheen in your hair, which I mess with, so that's why I got it. When you're using pomades, you don't want to go crazy. Whoa, hold up, this is a wave video. Let's take the dewy off, you feel me? Woo. Let me see what we looking like. Do I have enough now? You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys can see it clearly because my camera's acting up today, but it is what it is. So usually when I'm gonna use a pomade, my hair has to be slightly damp, not like overly wet. I keep it slightly damp. I take my moisturizer, and whatever moisturizer I'm using for the day, I just rub that into my hair. Once I do that, what I do is I take this is how much pomade I use. Some people say that's too much, but that's how much I use, just because I know my hair. You know what I'm saying? I take it, I rub it in. Boom. Right? Once it's in there, it's in there. What a lot of people don't know is that the pomade, pomade is thick. So what you could use is a rag, a warm rag. Just put it to run under water, squeeze it out. You know what I'm saying? It's just damp. You just want it to be damp and warm. You put it on top of your head. What that does for you is it heats up the pomade. It reactivates it, right? So now when you go to brush your hair, the pomade is going to be distributed evenly as you're moving it. And then you use your plastic bag method. So I just put it in my hair. You see it in my hair. And I just get to brush it. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. Like, you just get straight to brushing after you place it in your hair. Once you place it in your hair and you brush and then you do your plastic bag method, you're going to jump straight into ragging up and double compress. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't understand. Like I told you, waves is a lifestyle. You know what I mean? You want to make sure that you're doing everything you can to have the healthiest hair possible. Right, I'm not gonna go too deep into it with this video because there's so many other videos that I wanted to get into. But in terms of pomades, I just wanted to let you guys know what pomades I'm using right now. So the two most important pomades to me right now is Murray's pomade and the Sporting Waves. Those are the two most important ones to me right now. So if you guys is rocking with that, let me know how you like it. The reason why I use Murray's, it has a great hold. It holds when your hair starts to frizz up and stuff like that. Murray's pomade definitely holds it down a lot longer than a product like Sporting Waves. Sporting Waves is a little bit lighter, and it's for hair that's not as tough as mine when it's longer. That's how I look at it, right? If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, definitely leave a like, comment, and you know what I mean, subscribe to the channel. I can definitely provide any information that I've learned along the way, you know what I'm saying, to help my waves get better. I'll try to do more tutorial based videos for you guys. I've done it before, so I'll try to bring more of those to the channel. My next video, I'll probably talk about the different brushes and stuff like that I use. And like I said, we just gonna keep it rocking all freaking went along with these videos, man. And let's see where we get with it. You already know what it is, man. It's Lodi. I appreciate all of y'all. By the way, that giveaway is still live. I told y'all what y'all gotta do. Go back and watch my last, that was 2 videos ago. We'll watch that so you can enter into it and, you know, get yourself a chance to win a little gift card to Macy's, man. You know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying, man? I don't think y'all understand what I'm saying. Listen. Peace.